All right, let's make a Japanese classic, Oyakodon. It's super quick and easy.
This dish is the ultimate comfort food. It's that perfect balance of sweet and savory.
And get this, it only takes 15 minutes to make. Seriously.
So, what is Oyakodon anyway? Well, it's a classic Japanese chicken and egg rice bowl.
Okay, let's jump right in. First up, we gotta prep our ingredients.
First, you're gonna thinly slice half a yellow onion. Then, chop up some chicken thigh.
Now this is super important. Let that chicken marinate for about 10 minutes. It makes a huge difference.
Okay, now for the eggs. All you have to do is mix them gently. But here's the trick. Don't overmix them. You want that cool marbled look.
All right, let's make the broth. This is really the heart of the dish.
You only need 4 simple things for that classic sweet and savory flavor.
Just toss them all in your pan and boom, you've got your simmering sauce.
Okay, everything's prepped. Now it's time to put it all together in the pan.
First, let those onions simmer in the broth until they get nice and soft.
Once the onions are soft, go ahead and add your marinated chicken. Cook it through.
All right, this next part is the grand finale. This is where it all comes together.
So you're going to gently pour that marbled egg mixture right over the chicken and onions.
And the key here is to cook it just until the eggs are set. You want them soft.
And to finish it off, just slide that beautiful mixture right over a fresh bowl of rice.
And that's it. So you ready to make your own 15-minute masterpiece?